What's up, everybody? Here we are gonna add the Kenda rear Supermotos from Ride or Die to the Tuttio. So we're gonna start with a 14 millimeter and a 17 millimeter, and we're going to take off the axle bolt. All right, as you're doing this, there are two spacers already in there, right? Keep this one. Brake side spacer is reused. So slide everything out, get this chain off.
Wait, that's the brake side spacer.
This is the brake side spacer, roughly 1.25 inches. If you're using American units. So we do have to take off the rotor and the gear. So as soon as Vanna gets back over here, I'll have two hands. All right. Don't over torque these. Okay, let's get the Supermoto. They only go on one side of the Supermoto. And this part is curved in for these bolts to sit down in. So the flat side goes against the flat piece. Loctite is your friend. Ride it for a little bit, check all your bolts again. We have found with the Razors, the Tuttios, a lot of these bikes, everything likes to vibrate loose. So do basic motorcycle maintenance. Okay, now let's do the gear. We're going to use an 11 millimeter to get the old one off. That is reused. If you have gotten a different one, this is your time to upgrade. This is a monster gear, so it's going to give you a lot of torque. 60 teeth. Okay, that goes off. Supermoto comes back in. Because it's the Supermoto. For those who never want to go off-road. Put the letters out, right? There is writing on it. What's that? Okay. Next are our wheel spacers. To take these bearings right here from 15 millimeters to 12. Looks like a little top hat. That goes inside there and it'll sit in that rubber grommet. It'll hold it in, ideally. If you have any amount of wiggle, you probably lost those. All right, so let's go and get our wheel spacer for this side. We're gonna just start on this side for funsies. Brake. So get your brake lined up, all right? It's got to go on that piece. Put everything in. And that part's probably not fun. If you could phone a friend, do so. Okay, that's in. That's in. Go. Oh, push the wheel spacer out. So that happens a lot. So it's got to go back in there and sit all the way in. All right, so we're going to wiggle that a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, then the kit comes with two spacers for the rear. These are 25 millimeters and 20?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna put the bigger one inside, push the axle bolt through, and then fit the other one so that everything is nice and tight. Put in our chain tensioner. Put our chain back on. And finally, our 17 millimeter nut. These nylocks do wear out. Loctite is your friend. There you go. That is a Supermoto rear wheel. Bad to the bone.